What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyata here, and today I have a lock styling technique video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do lock knots. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. As you can see, there are 4 locks at the end of this particular lock knot. It could be 2 locks or 3 locks, depending on how many locks you use to create your twist. You can do chunky twists or regular 2-strand twists with 2 locks. This one here is considered a chunky twist because there's more than 2 locks, okay? There's 4 here. So to start the lock knot, what we're gonna do is take our hair, our 2-strand twist, okay? And wherever we want it to stop is where we'll stop the 2-strand twist. I'm going to be taking the shortest lock out of this bunch. Okay? And I will begin twisting it 1 lock at a time around the 2-strand twist. Just like so. And we're going to be twisting upward. Just like so. And see that end, we're just going to fold it down just like this. And we're going to take a rubber band. Sure you secure the end of that lock. The rubber band doesn't have to be tight. We're going to take another lock, particularly the shortest one. Alright, this is going to be this one. We want to use the longest lock last, obviously. So the next lock, same thing. We're going to be wrapping it around. Make sure it's secure. Alright, continue to wrap that lock around, overlapping the smaller lock we just wrapped and the rubber band. See this little bit of hair that we have here? At this point, twist the lock back down, just like so. Alright, and we're going to hold it and we'll secure the end with the rubber band, securing the end of that lock, which is right here. Like once again, we're going to take the shortest lock. All right, these are about the same, so we will be wrapping again. Keep in mind that this is just the way I do my lock knots. People do them differently, but this method tends to work very well. All right, just like the first 2 locks, I'm just twisting it upward. Okay, and I'm going to stop when there's a little bit, just like so, and I'm going to start wrapping back downward toward the end. So I'll start coming back down, just like so. All right, see that end there? I'm going to secure it, hold it with my thumb, take a rubber band, and I will secure the end. Making sure I overlap that end there and secure it. Last one, last lock. You see that little bit there? Don't worry about it because we're going to overlap. We're going to take the last one and do the same thing. We're wrapping. As you can see, we have a little here, so we're going to start wrapping back down. All right, see, back down. And as you can see, this last lock is right here, and we're going to hold it down with our thumb just like so, and we're going to secure that end, holding the end of that lock and securing it with this rubber band. See, perfect lock knot. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks, any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyata here. Peace.